Solid Waste Management Rules 2026, and Zero Waste Colonies. India is quietly tightening the rules on how cities handle their waste. The Solid Waste Management Rules 2026 will replace the 2016 framework, and cities like Delhi have already begun implementation. At the heart of these rules is one idea: segregation at source. Waste must now be separated into wet waste, dry waste, sanitary waste, and special care waste. Delhi's municipal body plans to expand zero waste colonies, areas where waste is processed locally, reducing pressure on landfills. Landfills will now be restricted only to inert waste. Another key feature is the integration of informal waste workers into the formal system, with incentives, consultations, and recognition. Why is this important? Because waste management is not just an environmental issue, it is an urban governance issue. Now let's connect this to UPSC. For prelims, know the provisions of the Solid Waste Management Rules 2026. For GS Paper 3, this topic fits under urban sustainability, circular economy, and environmental management. For mains answers, zero waste colonies make excellent case studies. Clean cities do not begin at landfills, they begin at households.